Hi students, this is class for 9th class, subject mathematics, chapter 10, surface areas and volumes. My name is Mandalapu Srinivasarao, working as PhD Mathematics, Achyambeda, Guntur district. Today, before going to lesson, we observe 2D figures. What is a 2D, two-dimensional shape? Rectangle, circle, square, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. All these are two-dimensional figures. In a geometry, a two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat plane figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width. Two-dimensional or 2D shapes do not have any thickness. What are the three-dimensional shapes? Cylinder, cube, rectangular prism, sphere, pyramid, cone. In geometry, a 3D three-dimensional shape can be defined as a solid figure or an object or shape that has three dimensions, length, width and height. Three-dimensional shapes have thickness or depth. Today we will learn about cylinder, right circular cylinder. Today we will learn about a 3D figure, that is a right circular cylinder, and how can you find curved surface area, that is also called lateral surface area, CSA. What are 3D figures of cylinder types? Three-dimensional cylindrical figures around us in our daily life. Water can, cool drink, dustbin, spray, bottles, pen stand, birthday cake, etc. All these are cylindrical shapes. This is right circular cylinder. What is right circular cylinder? Every cylinder is made up of one curved surface. This is one curved surface and with two congruent circular faces. This is one circular face. This is another circular face at bottom. These two are either on both sides, this one and this one. If the line segment joining the center of circular faces is perpendicular to its base, such a cylinder is called right circular cylinder. See this one, this is center of top circle, this is center of bottom circle. This is a line joining is perpendicular to the base. So this is called right circular cylinder. What is net of a cylinder? Take a cylinder and cut it with scissors and open it. Then it becomes like this. This is top circle is this one. This is bottom circle this one. And this is circular curved surface became a rectangular shape. What is the length of rectangular shape? Circumference of the circle. See this one. The circumference is, that is circumference means perimeter of the round measurement. That is 2 pi r. Length is 2 pi r. What is height of the rectangle? Height of the cylinder. That is h. Today we want to find curved surface area of the cylinder formula. The area of this rectangle is equal to the area of curved surface area of cylinder. Area of rectangle is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder. Rectangular shape. Take this rectangular shape. What is length? Length is circumference of the circle. That is 2 pi r. What is breadth? Breadth is height. Height of the cylinder. That is height of the cylinder h. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of the rectangle. What is the formula for finding area of rectangle? Length into breadth. What is length? 2 pi r. What is breadth? h. That is 2 pi r h. This is the formula for finding curved surface area of the cylinder. Therefore, curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. This is the formula. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. Now, we will solve some small problems in our do this exercise in our textbook. In do this, there are 3 small problems. Take first one. Find a curved surface area of a cylinder having radius is equal to x centimeters, height is equal to y centimeters. This is the problem. Here radius is x centimeters, height is y centimeters. Here given radius is equal to x centimeters, h is equal to y centimeters. Write formula for curved surface area, that is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into pi same into r means x, h means y, that is equal to square centimeters. 2 pi xy square centimeters. First problem is over. Take second problem. Find curved surface area of cylinder having diameter. Here not given radius, given diameter, and height is 10 centimeters. So, he given diameter 7 centimeters. That means diameter is the double of the radius. So, if diameter is 7 centimeters, then radius become 3.5 centimeters. Height is 10 centimeters. Here given d is equal to 7 centimeters. Find radius. That means d by 2. Half of the diameter 7 by 2. After cancellation 7 by 2 we get 3.5 centimeters. Then what is height? 10 centimeters. Write formula for finding curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 3.5 centimeters, h means 10 centimeters. After cancellation 7 goes in 3.5 or 0.5 times. That becomes 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 10 square centimeters. We get answer is 220 square centimeters. Take third problem. Here r is equal to 3 centimeters, h is equal to 14 centimeters. This is radius is 3 centimeters, height is 14 centimeters. Given r is equal to 3 centimeters, h is equal to 14 centimeters. Write formula for finding curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 14 square centimeters. That becomes, after cancellation, 7 goes in 14 2 times. We left with 2 into 22 into 3 into 2 centimeters, square centimeters. So answer is 264 square centimeters. Now I will give small assignment for you. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder having, first problem, radius is equal to 21 centimeters, height is 9 centimeters. Second problem is radius is 49 centimeters and height is 35 centimeters. Radius is 5 centimeters and height is 10.5 centimeters. Do this assignment and send your answers to your class teacher. Okay, thank you.